Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to hide the App Store on your iPhone. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, tap on settings, then scroll down and tap screen time and scroll down. And first guys, we need to set a screen time passcode. So if anyone try to make changes, they will be prompted to enter the passcode. So how we can do this? Very easy. Tap on lock screen time settings and enter your passcode. For example, and re-enter your passcode again. And now you need to enter your Apple ID, so that if you forget the passcode, you can recover it easy. And now enter your email Apple ID. Perfect. Then tap OK. Great. So then tap on content and privacy restrictions and toggle it on and enter your passcode. And now tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Now if you want to hit App Store, tap on Sign Up and tap Don't Allow and enter your passcode and come back. Then tap Deleting Apps and tap Don't Allow and come back. And also in App Purchases, Don't Allow. Perfect. Then close Settings. And now, as you can see here, the App Store will hidden. App Store now guys disappear, and no one can installing any application or any games. Okay, and now if you want to show App Store again, very easy. Just go to settings, then screen time, then content and privacy restrictions, and tap iTunes and App Store purchases and tap installing app and tap allow. Enter your passcode like this, and also deleting app allow, and in app purchases allow. Then close settings, and as you can see here, App Store will appear. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and see you to the next video.